Casey and I are figuring out if we can build a clippable snoot for this little light, because we use these lights all the time, but we often have a difficult time controlling them at times. So narrowing where the light strikes outside of putting up a C-stand and putting up a flag, which is kind of cumbersome. Casey and I were thinking about how we could build maybe something like this that has clips on it, and then we bring it in here and see if we can slice it up. Okay, it says it's fine. Let's print it.
2 hours later.
Casey, it's done.
Yeah? What's done? The thing? Slightly moles. Oh god. Ooh, yeah, looks like quality's happening. Oh, it's hot in there. Oh boy, I don't know. You know what?
You gonna try it?
Looks like the size is right. Oh, baby. That's freaking magical. Dude, first try?
First try?
Are you serious? Okay, it does slip this way.
Okay.
Which is to be improved.
To be determined, yes. Okay.
But it totally works.
Okay, V1 is functional though.
Like you could
just chunk that on and it stays.
That's pretty great. Like you could take that and totally use this forever. Just like put one little strip of tape on it and call it good.
Yep.
Dude, that's sick. What I'm surprised is that like it chomps on there. I mean, it is pretty darn close. Like, I mean, it looks like a thing that was engineered and made for it and stuff.
Yeah, because it was.
Yeah.
Okay, so what does it need?
Well, we could.
So to prevent it from sliding around, what does it need?
We just need these on the other sides, probably. Well, the problem is that you could have like a tab here, though. We just need like a little tab on the sides.
Rock a V2?
Let's rock a V2.
Okay.
Let's do rock a V2. That's beautiful.
That's pretty fun, man.
Wow. What you doing, Danjo?
What?
What's the matter?
Nothing's the matter. This is just... I'm putting together this 3D printed castle for an upcoming film. And if you look at parts wrong, it breaks. There are so many little like this little thing right here. Okay, these little anything spiky, if you look at it wrong, it falls apart.
That's so cool, though.
But it's sick looking, though, right?
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
You still like having a workshop here?
I do. I really like this.
It's about why you got mad at the birds earlier. Outside.
I was just yelling at the sky.
Had to call the police.
So the reason why we're building a 3D printed castle is to finish a project that has been long overdue. We shot this, I believe we're going on 2 years ago. So far, it's just called Crystal Ball. And you guys have actually seen a couple shots from this on Casey's channel. He's done a few tutorials on green screen.
Here we have a shot on green screen, and we've removed the green screen and put it on a background. And I think it looks pretty good.
Edge wrapping.
Today, we're learning how to up your green screen game with a technique called light wrap in Fusion.
It's from this short film. It's been perpetually backburnered for years, and it's embarrassing, but like, that's how it goes sometimes when you're a small team and you have a lot of projects on the burner. And so we actually asked our dear friend Tim.
Hey everybody, it's Cameron Tim. I'm going to show you this really cool family emulation plugin that I did a review for called Dehancer and stuff.
To work on some of the green screen shots, because it would have taken Casey a long time to render out all those green screen shots. And honestly, we got courses to make. We have things to upkeep. We have a community to manage and look after, as well as just, YouTube channel we need to keep content running on. So we delegated some of that to Tim. He did a great job. And since then, we've gotten the 3D printer. I've been really excited about doing more practical effect type stuff. And I was thinking like, what a perfect use of this. The opening shot of this short film, this crystal ball short film, is this big epic castle that I had originally rendered in Unreal Engine. And so how do I say this? I don't want to open Unreal for the time being. And I would much rather try and hone my practical effects and miniature skills because we got this 3D printer that allows us to do so. So I've been working on building this prop castle. We're gonna do a practical shoot with a miniature castle and a mountain, and I'm gonna build some trees, maybe even do like some matte painting stuff. I'm really excited about it. And so this is obviously a big step in moving this short film across the finish line.
Oh yeah. Oh dude, that looks sick.
It's looking better, right?
Yeah.
It's actually looking like a thing.
So it looks like there's shadows and stuff in it. Have you been doing that, or is it just gray? Is it just the lighting?
It's just gray. It's all primered.
Oh, it's beautiful.
Yeah.
So it's gonna look better than this?
Oh yeah. Way better.
Dang.
Yeah.
That already looks pretty dope.
See it, Sam?
Yeah, from here, yeah.
Get up there. Get in there.
Eye on it.
How many pieces have you broken?
All of them.
Oh.
Luckily, the primer actually covers up a lot of the glue globs.
Blue globs.
And so are you printing the base for this? Like, is it?
Yeah,
this stands like up here.
Yeah. So I think eventually it's probably going to be something like this.
Oh dang.
We're going to get Crystal Ball done finally.
Yay!
Sure we are.
Why are you going to be like that? What is it?
Sure we are. Okie dokie.
Now, Sam, you were the director for Crystal Ball back in the day.
Okay.
How do you feel about it? What's this process been for you?
I feel like I want it to be a thing, and so I don't really care how it gets done. It'd just be nice to have it done so we can not have it be in our tub of shame.